YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Dreaming in 99, and we are back with another vlog. I promise that I was gonna try to create content a little more often. I'm gonna try to put, videos out a little more often, and that's exactly what we are doing. As of right now, I am not in Raleigh. I actually spent my Saturday with my family, both of my parents and my little girl. Today we're gonna be heading back to Raleigh, and got a few things planned. I'm supposed to meet up with my boy Malik. Malik has a 5.0. We're gonna shoot some rollers of his car, and I believe my boy Tay with his Alfa Romero is supposed to come through as well. So today's gonna be a cool day, and yeah, I'm gonna get started. Car is warming up as of right now. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so we are at the gas station. I am about to fill this bad boy up. Oh man. I'm excited about today. I think it's gonna be a lot of good content. Let me grab my phone. I should probably grab my phone. I'm excited about today. I think it's gonna be a lot of good content. Decided to get up with my boys. We don't really meet up with each other as often as we used to. Like, it used to be a thing of every Sunday. We used to call it Sunday Fun Day. Every Sunday we just got up with each other. We just, whether we was chilling in the crib or we was driving around, something, we used to always get up with one another. But things just kind of changed. Things just kind of changed, which is cool though. Everybody's still close, but we just don't meet up as often as we used to. And guess what, guys? I'm feeling a little extra good this morning, because guess what I woke up to? Whoa. No, that can't be my car. This got to be a drink or something. That can't be my car. Right? No, because my car is right here. Let's see. Whew. Man, okay. Yeah, you would see it under here. Man, I was worried because I do have a little bit of a coolant issue, but that has to be like a frozen drink or something. That scared the heck out of me, but that is not me. Anyway, man, my heart dropped. My heart dropped. I thought I had to get a tow truck out here for a second. Anyway, I woke up to a green parlay on an 8 leg, so I'm feeling pretty good about that. You guys know that's the best feeling, my fellas and my ladies. So W's in the chat for that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and fill this thing up, man, and get our day started. I'm gonna go back home, shower up, clean up, and then I'll see you guys in a little bit.
What are we getting to today, man?
What's going on, y'all? It is Dreaming in 99, and this is my boy Tay. Today we are just linking up with a few cars. We have my 5 Series over there. It's a Stage 2 N55. We have my boy in a 5.0 coming. We have my boy in a N54 335i coming, and apparently we're gonna have a 340 coming, more than likely a tuned B58. Ooh, so, and then of course we got y'all boy Tay Alfa Romero, man.
Look,
in the Alfa. So
and also I got my boy on with the Infiniti, the Q50 coming. So
Q50s is coming, and on top of that, I actually follow her on Instagram. This girl just hopped out of this 335 as well, which is that black one right there. So it looks good. I mean,
looking at that when I was rolling,
it looks good. It's lowered. It has the anniversary stickers on there. It has the CSL lights. So I think her name is Kat. Shout out to her. But yeah, so we got. Oh yeah, a little something. I just installed mine, so you guys see it. But I'll get back with you guys whenever everybody gets here. It's gonna be a nice fun day. Hopefully we can get it rolling before it starts raining. What's going on with you, man? I think it looks good, bro. Every time I see it, it looks better and better. It looks better and better. So I got a couple people coming. We got a 335 N54 coming, a B58 coming, a 340, and then you said your boy's coming, right?
Bro, I don't know if he can make it. I don't know.
Oh, okay. And then we got a Q50 coming. So there's a couple of cars, bro. Yeah.
I'm a fight.
All right. It's gonna be an eventful day today, y'all.
I should have brought. I don't really. I got one at the house.
What? Oh, a little.
Yeah, I just didn't bring it.
It's a game changer, bro.
I did not bring one.
It's a game changer, man. So
this one got the wide angle, so like, it's so wide that I can hold it like this and it catches everything.
Bro, I really like this thing, bro. I seen it on Instagram. I think she got like a competition hood too. Yo, she had like a competition hood too. Yeah, you got like a little scoop, right? Yeah, it's clean. I don't think I filmed my boy's Alpha yet, but you guys seen it on the channel in the past. Thing looks good, man. And that stock height, you never lowered it?
No, it's stock height. We'll put like that here. So
yeah, that's nice.
Y'all know I got the carbon, man. Got the carbon door handles. Got the blacked out tail light.
Word.
The forged carbon fiber on spoiler. Carbon fiber. I don't forgot. Y'all know what that's called.
Yeah, the little little ducktail thing.
I'm thinking, for y'all that's gonna see it, I'm thinking about wrapping these yellow. So it's gonna be a baby Ferrari.
It's gonna be smooth. I've seen a couple of red Alphas with the yellow calipers. Yeah, let's go. Let's walk down to my boy Malik.
Yep.
Give y'all a quick story time on Malik, man. So, chat, that 5.0 down there, I actually ran it once, and I gapped him by like 4 cars. I gapped him about 4 cars, man. You know,
it's completely different now.
Where?
Yeah.
Different setup.
Yeah.
Nice. Well, I'm gonna get back with y'all when the other 2 cars pull up. How am I deleted? This was your plan.
I know the hell it was.
Bro, you said follow you. You got a road we could go to.
Oh yeah, I did.
Yeah.
I didn't think it was gonna be hella motherfuckers.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of cars. We gotta do something quick though. It's about to storm.
I hope we don't.
We need at least 1 person for the rollers though. Either that or we take turns. Is the road far?
I don't know.
You don't know.
What we gonna do?
Hey.
I know it.
Bro, you DM me.
I don't know.
What? Bro, we gotta do something, man.
Somebody get in somebody's car and you can do it.
Alright. B40 smooth though.
Huh? Car stuff.
This dude here, bro, tell us all to come outside, and he don't know what we doing. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars to come out. He don't know what he doing.
Bro,
that's crazy. Hey, you gonna be the star of this vlog, bro.
Alright, that's cool. That's cool.
It's crazy, man.
He got the gap camera on. I gotta put my. I'm like, I'll put mine on.
Word. What's good with you, bro?
Shit.
Shane. 340 look good, man. 2020?
Yeah,
2020 best year to get it.
yeah. I got it like 6 months ago.
6 months ago? Congrats, bro. Look good. This is what I want. Hey Malik, there's N54 and N55. N55? Where?
Yeah, you got to leave. You said N55?
This is N55.
You got the seats in here?
Hey, my car seems so out of place, man. As far as how it looks cosmetically, it's crazy.
You got seats. You got like, you making over 500. And this thing got a fucking, this shit probably.
Was you down by 2?
Yeah, that's it.
You want to eat?
This thing got
We can do it. You can do it 40.
Hey, we gotta do something quick before the weather. Yeah. I thought it was starting at 2, but I don't know.
Hell yeah.
what's going on. Everybody just kind of took off before everybody was ready. Okay. Where's Malik? Okay, we good. Everybody's here. All right, so we're just gonna cruise, take it easy. So I thought that E92 was a N54. It's actually an N55, which is awesome because N55s aren't really common. Not much people get the N55, so.
My camera didn't work.
It's gonna rain anyway, bruh.
I know.
Yeah, so don't even. Hey, I'm gonna let you get in front of me. BURBLE is that? Is that E92? Bro, Malik's car is so loud. Those burbles are crazy. Hey, you gotta remember, that's a Gen 2 though. Downpipe tunes in a Gen 2 capable of making almost 500. Bro, that I guarantee you was only downpipe tune, bro. Happened with that cruise. There was really nothing to film. But yeah, I just finished hooping. Probably about to go back to the house and wrap up this vlog. Yeah, there's not much to it, but I did want to show you guys something. I'm at Bailiwick Park and I pull up and there's this nice 2 Series right here. I feel like I've seen the owner at a meet before. Like, I thought it was a 240, but it's a 235. It has the M55 in there, so that's very clean right here. Very, very clean. I was trying to make out who it is, but I don't know. There's so many people in there, but nonetheless, very clean, man. I gotta look out for this 235. I believe it's a manual. If I'm talking about the same dude, it's a manual 235 equipped with the N55. I think he told me, you know, he's just downpipe tuned, but very clean, man. Like I said, you don't see many N55s, so it's pretty nice whenever you do come across another one. But I'm gonna catch y'all, man.